My name is Anouk and I'm the Deputy General Manager for K.I.T Group Switzerland. A hybrid budget is almost like two budgets in one, presential and virtual. It's a big budget to balance, and it's difficult because a virtual registration usually sells for less than a face-to-face one. So the expense side of your budget is pretty straightforward and there's not much you can do about it. But the income side is the one that needs careful attention in order not to cannibalize your audiences. So it's therefore really important to keep a strong added value for your delegates and sponsors to actually come on site, and that way generate income and a good return on investment for you and for them. So full access to the conference program, great networking opportunities, and also possibly outside the box social events will help you do that. And then the virtual part of your event should focus on attracting new audiences and also act as a teaser for future editions. And that's where you should only grant restricted access to your conference program, for example.